Hello, my name is John Hancock, and this is my presentation for COP 4367. That's Graphical Application Development at Florida Atlantic University, taught by Dr. Tom Fernandez, summer 2014. So this project is highly based on the sample code that Dr. Fernandez provided for this class. First of all, you can see we got rid of the random color buttons, and we put in some sliders that let the user select the color level. So I'm going to go with red for the first function. Now the freestyle, we saw that in class. The only change you can see is that we added some opacity to the color, so you got a little see-through effect there. Line style is a new functionality. The way that we implemented it was we have the user click once, twice, and then after that we start getting a path. If the user goes back and wants to do a little bit of something else, we start a new path, so like so. And then last thing is the spray style, which we did with, as a suggestion from the class, spray a bunch of random triangles, and I think I like this effect with a little bit of opacity and a very narrow pen width. And here we go. And so that pretty much is all the functionality. I have a little time to talk about the code. One approach we did was tried using functions more, because with misspelled variables, the JavaScript won't catch that, but a misspelled function, especially like the Chrome debugger will complain about a missing function, an undefined function, and stop execution. So a little bit easier to catch those kind of errors with spelling mistakes. We implemented the line mode functionality using a function object, and you can see here this function has several functions inside it. It has some member variables, and then the main function here, the function that implements the object itself, returns itself. So that's how we implement. This is borrowed a little bit from documentation we found online about objects in JavaScript, as well as what we remembered from the structure and interpretation of computer programming. That's the MIT Wizard book. Last thing, not much here, but this is the CSS. We added some code to put a border around the canvas, and we changed the color of the buttons. So that's pretty much it. I'd just like also to point out we did this entire assignment in a Linux environment and had a much better time with this Record My Desktop program than we ever did with Cam Studio, which crashed and caused us a lot of heartache.